My name is Marcia Brown, the CEO of Marcia Brown Footwear. I am in a shop called Vibram London, which makes, actually adds soles to shoes. So I'm just going to show you around this shop and just briefly let you view the lovely different colour soles that can be added to the bottom of your shoe. So here we just go to the other side, and these are accessories and all different kind of accessory supports that can be added to specialize and make your shoes look extra different. Now here we are just going to have a look at the 5 fingers sole shoes, or even shoes that you can actually buy from Vibram London, this particular shop. Now I'm going to introduce you to the lovely Frank. I have asked Frank to do a collaboration with me. The collaboration is, or was, to add soling to these trainers that I've actually made. So these trainers were actually made for a client, obviously it was too much really for me to be doing the whole shoe from start to finish, so that is it. So basically I just want to say this is the last for the small feet. So basically we've got the last here. Frank has actually broken it to actually take it out of inside of the actual trainer. So that's the small feet. This is the larger feet. So we've got a pair of trainers, one small, and then this is the larger feet. And as you can see, the last for the larger feet has been broken effectively. So Frank,
hello.
Can you just tell me what you actually did to finish off these wonderful pair of trainers?
So what we had to do first, put a mock leather well to give the shoe its structure and shape, and then added this EVA middle for comfort and volume, tapering it down at the toe. And then what I had to do is to give it support, Blake stitch it all the way through to the inside of the shoe so it holds it all together. Topped off with a Vibram Urban Track sole.
Fantastic.
For optimum 360 grip and traction.
Fantastic.
Safe walk on wet.
Fantastic. So Frank, I would like to say a thank you. In fact, this is my first pair of trainers, completed trainers, and I would like to say thank you very much for completing these trainers for me. You have done an absolutely fantastic, great job.
It was an absolute pleasure, and I've got to say, if this was your first pair, it's probably one of the best handmade shoes I've worked on. It's very well constructed and it's just a superb quality.
Thank you.
The only way is up.
Thank you so much, Frank. Okay, so this is Marcia Brown Footwear, reporting and authenticating the fantastic making and collaboration with Vibram Footwear, London. Thank you, Frank.